Inessa, this is going to be fun.
You ever done this?
Yeah. So I don't know why he's talking to me.
I thought you said you never went to the Eternal Flame.
No, I've been here. I just didn't know that it was in Chestnut Ridge. I felt like...
You went to the Eternal Flame before?
Yeah.
Well, what the hell?
Yeah, right?
See, there's the flame. There's the number one.
I know.
Trying to get away out of it. Alright, we gotta find a newt now.
Look at that.
A newt?
A newt?
A newt?
Yeah, there's lots of newts out here.
To feed? To cosmic?
To eat for a snack?
To take fishing?
Oh, poor newt.
It's all part of the nature chain.
Here, Bob. Put that one. Where do we want to put it? There's a bug that won't go away.
What won't go away?
A bug.
How is it the Eternal Flame?
Right down there, if you look down, because you gotta walk all the way around and come back. Right there's the Eternal Flame. Hi!
The Eternal Flame is right there?
Yeah, are you guys at the Eternal Flame? Yeah. See?
What they say?
It's right there. But it's a long walk to get to it.
Yeah, that's what we used to do.
Because you walk all the way down.
That's steep.
This side you can't do without a rope. There's no way.
That's the other one.
The tall mall.
There's crayfish in here.
Howdy. A whole bunch of them.
There's a lot of them, Jared.
Yeah, there's a whole school right here. I don't know if they'll show up on camera.
For how long am I holding them?
I don't know. So I don't take it.
It just happened?
Eddie, what are you doing? My cafe one?
Did you find a place? Huh?
I'm gonna put this up here.
I wonder who lit that thing.
I can see it from here.
You're walking by, you're minding your own business, next thing you know, at least that's what I do.
And what
Did you just put that there?
It?
Yeah, that's cool.
Put it in your flower garden.
You didn't put it out?
Are you going to keep it?
Are you guys just like taking
I was thinking that.
Still burning.
Hide this in such a way that people can see the colors.
And we just keep walking around there. We like look and we go, hey, I bet you we can make it up that.
Hey,
Let's go.
Yeah.
And we
just
jump
go.
on that. I bet you like, I don't know if I could do it now, but I bet you could. I bet you could do that. I bet you can climb that.
Would I want to?
Well, then you also think about, you get to here, so say you miss your footing or anything, probably not going to die.
It's gonna hurt though.
It might hurt a little bit.
Yeah.
You get up there, and then you even have this little, you're not going to die. Like this would be something back in the day we would have risked. We'd have been like, yeah, probably live.
I do like when people give this kind of stuff to each other.
yeah, I added one to the top.
Gliss and I made one last time we were here. I wonder if it's still there, Gliss.
You got to add one to the top.
Only one?
Well, whatever you want to do. I don't know.
We'll show you.
Seriously?
Cute.
Seriously?
Me?
Yeah.
Want to go bigger?
Yeah.
He's like, I did my duty.
I don't want to knock it down. It's too cool. I don't want to knock it down.
Like reverse Jenga.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's completely clean. And this is on the north side.
Whoa. You okay, baby doll?
What is there? Is it a person? Is it a hammer?
The person in the hammock.
So just let it up to relax. Bob, do you want to go over?
No, thank you.
Jared, do you want to go over?
Maybe.
Oh,
Almost. Almost.
What happened?
he dropped his granola bar.
Thank you. By the way, thank you.
You dropped the granola bar?
By the way, you might have gotten that one on camera too. Whoa, flies right there.
It's like Lord of the Flies over there. Stay away from that. That's nothing good out of there. I don't know what they're doing.
Chipmunk.
Where?
You see it too?
Oh, I see them. This is the hill I was talking about. I always wanted to have a picnic on.
Build the landing.
I go, where are they going? She goes, maybe they want some fun.
Well, we can just jump up here if we wanted to.
Right?
Yeah. Amongst the poison sumac. This is the one? Is this like the end of the park here?
No.
Oh.
This is actually, if we keep going that way, we end up in Chestnut Ridge.
Huh.
Like what people consider
I think if
traditional.
you go up this way, there's a lady who has no trespassing signs,
And then you just go right in there.
and yet I know a couple of my friends ran through her yard anyway.
Well, that's what you do when you're in the wilderness. You take risks.
I'm walking all the way up this thing here. Is
I'll
this
pull
it?
ya.
Are we almost done then? Or what are we doing?
Yeah, what do we do when we get to the top?
Gliss is just like,
Yeah.
I'm coming. I'm running. I'm running.
Not happy about it.
Oh my god.
just keep looking at the ground, Bob.
Yeah, don't look up, Bob, because it's annoying.
Yeah, really.
The whole class just get up.
Or a sledding event.
Oh my God, you'd run into a tree.
Yeah.
Didn't you just say there's no, there's risk involved in wilderness?
Mm-hmm. I like to take the Tacoma up this.
Oh yeah.
With the crawl control. Oh my god. That would be gnarly. Woo!
I don't think it is, but.
Is it at the top?
Oh, what's that over there?
You got it, Bob. You got it. We're right down the middle.
Oh, look at these cool things.